Daddy buy me that one. I help my daddy. Daddy go doing this. Daddy's not here, but I cry so hard.
Yes, when you was in Australia, you cried so hard.
Where's Daddy?
I don't know, you look for daddy. Go, look for daddy.
Daddy, buy me that.
Oh yeah, what's his name?
Batman.
Yeah.
Play with me, Daddy.
Play with you? Come play with Daddy. Oh. You say, Batman!
Batman.
Hey, we'll shift his arms. Whoa, he's a stretchy Batman. Oh, stretch, stretch, stretch. Whoa.
Good morning, Daddy.
Where are we going today, Nitro?
We're going to the city.
We're gonna go to the city?
Yeah.
And what are we gonna do in the city?
And we play in the playground.
We play in the playground?
Yes.
And what are we gonna buy?
We're gonna buy Ryan's toy, and we're gonna buy Red and Nikki toy.
Wow, Ryan's toy and Vlad and Nikki toy. Alright, let's go to the city, Nitro. Yeah, let's go.
Oh, it's too big,
It's
Ryan.
too big for you.
Yuck.
Nitro! Nitro, where are we going?
We're going to the city.
Yeah, going to the city. And what are we gonna buy?
We're gonna buy Ryan's toy, and we're gonna buy Red and Nikki toy.
Yeah, Ryan's toy and Vlad and Nikki toy. Woohoo! Alright, let's go, baby Nitro. Nitro, we're at the city.
Don't buy in the road.
Do you wanna buy a toy at the city?
Yes.
Let's go. Come on. Yeah, let's go.
Daddy,
Oh.
don't buy load.
Done by load. Alright, Nitro, let's go find your toys. Yeah, let's go. We go up the stairs. Hey. Which way?
Oh,
We went up. Yeah, we go up. Yeah, let's
yes.
go up. Where's Toys R Us, Nitro? Over there? Okay, let's go. Yeah, let's go in there. Here we are at Toys R Us. Look, Nitro, we're at Toys R Us. Yay! Whoa, it's going upside down. Whoa, that's so cool, man. Whoa, ready to go upside down. Whoa. All right, we're here, Nitro, at Toys R Us. Oh, no, let it go. Might break him. Oh.
Motorcycle.
Yeah, it's a big bike, hey. Oh. Hey, Nitro, let's find the Vlad and Nikki toy you want. Come on, let's go have a look for it. Where is it? Huh? Yeah. What's that? Oh, that's not it.
Oh, I got this.
Oh, what's that? Oh, it's so big. What is that? It's Ryan's toy, isn't it?
I have got orange.
Yeah. Wow, it's PJ Masks.
Yes.
Yeah.
I need that.
You need that. Whoa, it's PJ Masks mask. Whoa, that's so cool, man. All right, Nitro, so do you want a Vlad and Nikki toy?
Okay, Daddy.
Okay, yeah? Or do you want He-Man?
I want He-Man.
You want He-Man? Oh, you got lots of toys there, buddy. Oh, you can't carry them all.
I need that one and that one.
You need that one. So you want a stretchy toy, do you?
I want this.
All right, well, you choose one. Which one do you want? Do you want Batman? Do you
I
want
want
Buzz
Batman.
Lightyear, Aquaman, or Hulk? Which one?
I want that one.
You want, what's Batman?
Batman.
All right, we'll go get that one, okay? Let's go. Oh, that's it, Nitro. Coming to the counter. Woohoo! Oh, yeah, put it on the shelf. Oh, there's no one there. Bruh. People gone. We have to find the ladies. Hey, you grab it. We go say, you go find the lady and say, hey, I want to buy this one. Here, there she is. You say it to her.
I want to buy this.
Oh, you have money?
Yes.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, that's funny. Where's the money? Nitro, here's your money. There you go. Give the money. Here, on the other side. Over this side, Nitro. Good boy. Loyalty card. There you go. Wow. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Open it, Daddy.
Okay, we'll open it. We go to the car and we open it. Let's go.
Can you say it's so squishy?
It's so squishy. So fast.
Show me.
Daddy's nice.
Can you show me your toy?
It's so squishy, Mommy.
Can you stretch it? Show mommy. You stretch it. I want to see. Stretch his, not his legs, his arms.
Like me. Daddy.
Yeah, what?
Please help me.
Please help you? Okay, Daddy helps you. Ready? You sit on Daddy's lap. Which one do you want? The pink, the yellow, or the blue?
Blue.
Blue? Okay.
Blue.
That's yellow.
That's yellow.
Yeah, do you want yellow?
Yes.
Okay, we'll have one yellow, okay?
Daddy.
Alright. 1, 2, 3.
Again, Daddy.
Okay. Which slide do you want to go on this time?
Yellow.
Yellow again?
Yes.
Alright, let's go on the yellow. How about Daddy going blue and Nitro going yellow?
I want to go to yellow. Daddy, go to yellow.
Alright, Nitro, we're gonna go on the blue slide.
Scary.
We're on the blue slide. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh.
Daddy, let's go.
Hey Dwantro Fam, maraming salamat sa panonood. Alam niyo ba na meron kaming Facebook memberships? If you want to be a VIP only member para mapanood mo ang mga VIP only videos, click on the link in the description to be a Facebook member. Ayan, thanks guys. We'll see you sa sunod na video natin. Bye for now. Shut the door!